Today, the nation's highest court dealt quite a blow to organized labor. In their ruling, the Supreme Court justices determined that government workers cannot be forced to pay union dues, even if those unions represent them in collective bargaining. Eyewitness News reporter Greg Argos is live outside the federal courthouse in Center City right now with what some in this area have to say about this ruling. Greg.
And Natasha, good afternoon. Many in these unions say they're simply upset because they believe today's decision is meant to weaken their unions. It's being called a big blow to public sector unions. In a 5-4 ruling, the U.S. Supreme Court says non-members no longer have to pay dues.
Working people are under attack. What do we do?
Wednesday, dozens of union members gathered at the federal courthouse in Center City, showing their disappointment in this decision.
I hate to sound like a business person, but it's going to help their bottom line.
That's because public sector unions, such as those which represent Philadelphia's firefighters and teachers, are legally required to represent all employees, even those who are non-members. Until today, those non-members still had to pay dues, known as fair share fees.
Folks who are fair share now, they get the benefit of all the representation that the union has for the folks who pay dues.
In the written majority opinion, Justice Alito says forcing non-members to pay dues violates their free speech rights, since the money could subsidize campaigns of politicians those non-members don't support.
The truth of the day is no money could be spent on a politician without the okay of the member.
And though many gathered in protest today believe this could hurt unions, Mike Meehan, the chairman of the Philadelphia Republican Party, believes union membership will remain strong, and this decision will simply ensure union members are represented properly.
If people are given the option to leave, if they're not satisfied with what their leadership has done, it's no different than a voter.
Now, some experts say these public unions will now have to do more outreach to make sure their membership stays strong. Others believe public unions will get smaller, but they will not get weaker. I'm live here at the federal courthouse. Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Greg, thank you very much.